Channel. My name is Indhu Hari Krishnan, and if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 18, guys. I'm getting ready to work, guys, and this lighting is a bit messed up. The old ones were good, like the colorful ones. This one is odd. Let me turn it off. I'm getting ready to work, guys, and I just washed my hair again. Actually, this is like just day before I had washed, I think, but then again I just felt like, I needed a hair wash, so I washed my hair. Also, guys, I'm listening to songs and vibing. That's how I get ready. I'm listening to Telephone Dhun Mein. That song I'm listening to. I hope I don't get copyright, guys. One of my videos, the Reminiscing 2024 Vlogmas, that got copyright, guys. I had to edit it again the next day before I post the next vlog, and I had to remove all that background music. Of course, they put copyright on that. I don't know why they put copyright. I had to re-upload it. Okay, guys, eyeliner is done. Let me turn off the music just to be safe. And yes, guys, I'll catch you up on few updates. Today is my last working day for the year, like I told in yesterday's vlog also, I think. So today, 18th December, is my last working day for the year. Again, I resume on January 1. In my company, we don't have leave for January 1st. Who works on January 1, guys? But I don't want to take leave as soon as the year starts. Ideally, I could have taken because I have too many leaves. This is not the final OOTD, guys. I still have to wear this poncho. I'm just figuring it out. And yes, guys, so this is my final day for the year at work. And I'm just going for some time. And I should be back, late in the night. I'm planning to come late in the night only because if anything, I have to wrap up. I do all these things where I clear my system and all that, so that next year again you don't have to bother about that. So this is the poncho, guys. It looks so good. Since it's Christmas time, all these cool things I'm wearing right now, because other seasons you really cannot wear. So yes, guys, that's the updates. Kind of little bit in the noon right now, and then after that I'll be going and come back late in the night, like I told you. I have one meeting, I think towards the afternoon, I think, so I'm not very sure. I have to check that. And tomorrow there is the team meeting and all that, which I cannot attend because I'm going on leave. So yes, guys, I'll be right back. I'll get earrings and be right back, guys. I'm wearing my activity band so that I can track my 10k step challenge. And there are a lot of updates towards the end of the year that I want to give. There's a detailed video that I want to make on how my 2025 was, but then I'm not sure, guys. I'm yet to film that. And once this vlogmas is over, guys, I don't want to do vlogs till the end of the year, seriously, because it's been so hectic. I know, guys, I say this, but then I still like to do. You must think why do you want to do if it's so hectic? But I want to do. That's how I can grow. That's how I can push myself further, right? I had pink earring, guys, but I can't find that, so I'm wearing these white earrings. So yes, guys, I don't want to do vlogs, but then this year I have been on schedule for all the festive occasions, which I'm so proud of myself. Actually, I was just thinking, and I was every single occasion I've tried to vlog or put a reel at least, and it's hard to keep up with the number of festivals that comes towards the second half of the year. There was Navratri series, Halloween, Diwali, and then Vlogmas started. There were so many things, plus my birthday was in July, so much content to film, edit, post. It's fun, it's a lot of fun, but I'm just telling you that it's been crazy. And again, I want to do 1 or 2 videos before the year closes. I'm not sure, or I might not do, or I don't know, guys. I'm still yet to think. And there are few brand collabs that I have to finish, which I will do. That is not bad. This is getting over, guys. My favorite oil, this is the one that I use. I've mentioned many times. It's over. Can you see that? Every tiny drop of this oil I've used, there's very little left. That's what I'm gonna use. This is the Davines, so the beans, I don't know, guys, how to pronounce. DAVINESOI oil. This is oil. So this is so good. This is very good. If you want to purchase a hair oil or like a serum for after shampoo. This is very good. I forgot the cost. It's 3,150, slightly expensive maybe, but trust me guys, this is one of the best hair oils that I've come across, and I apply it without fail after shower. I never used to apply hair oil, hair serum and all that, only shampoo and not even conditioner, and I'm done. But after this oil, it smells so good. Actually, it's expiring in Feb 2026. Good that it's getting over also, but I'll have to like purchase new one. I don't know where I'll get it. Let me go check that. I think it should be in Nykaa, right? So yes guys, I just take 1 or 2 good pumps of this oil, and then I apply it all over my hair once it is like slightly damp and it is like half dry, right? Then I do that. Best thing about this oil guys, next time when I comb my hair, right, like now I leave it, I let it dry, air dry, like I don't use blow dryer and all that. Don't use blow dryer guys, that's one tip I can give you. Don't use blow dryer, don't use hair tools unless and until it's necessary. It's like it damages your hair very badly. Even Dyson and all you can use if it's your profession that you have to like style your hair and all that. Otherwise I would say solution would be get a good haircut and good products for your hair. That's like much more it's more sensible than going and like styling your hair all the time. It's like over a period of time you will see that I did that like in the past, like I think almost like 5-6 years back. I used to like straighten my hair every day guys, every day, and if not straighten, at least I used to like blow dry my hair. I used to blow dry a lot actually. Like I used to like take that comb, pull it nicely, and then I used to like blow dry nicely because it used to sit very well. It looks very well, I'll not deny that. It definitely looks more polished and neat. But then if it's not your everyday thing, it's not necessary for you to like style your hair every day, please get rid of all that. Air dry your hair nicely, buy the right products instead of investing in like styling your hair every day, going and getting like a blow dry. If you spend like on a good product, that's much better guys. Like your hair texture also remains intact. Like mine is still very frizzy and dry. If you can see, it's not like the silkiest smoothest hair, but at least like these products kind of like help me a little bit. This is like the hair oil. Then for shampoo I'm like a little bit like I keep changing a lot guys, so I don't stick much to one shampoo. Conditioner I don't use, like the entire routine I'll tell someday. Guys, look at me next to my Christmas tree. I'm ready guys, I'm just wearing my shoes and then I'll head out. The camera is so up, like seriously, I don't know why I mounted it like that. Okay guys, I think best is to stand because the tripod is very up. Okay guys, I actually got this perfume in like collab. This is the Hira Long Stay Clean Fragrance Wine Tastings. I kind of like opened and smelled it already. It's kind of good. It is so the top notes for this is ginger, raspberry, black pepper, and the middle notes are rose, geranium, saffron, leather. Base is oud, benzoin, amber, patchouli, sandalwood. All these are actually my notes guys. Like it's not on the floral side and like fruity side, and it's much on the musky side, which is amazing because that's how I like it. So this is how the packaging looks. Looks very cute. It has like a floral background. It looks very cute. It's called Hira. I think the fragrance name is Wine Tastings if I'm not wrong. Let me just see how it is guys. Oh. It has a very smoky smell actually. It's not bad. It's good. It's kind of like nice. Let me just try it. Very little because I don't know how it is. I might get like a headache with certain perfumes, but this one I hope not. Guys, it's actually nice. The oud fragrance is like high, which is kind of like nice. I don't know, like yet I have to like try it for 1 or 2 days, then I can say, but so far so good. Instantly it's not like I don't like it, and the notes are kind of like nice, probably something that I would like. So good job Hira. And okay guys, I've booked my transport. Time to leave guys. Bye.